Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download Outlook on Windows 10 quickly and easily. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. The Windows key is usually located between the Control and Alt keys and has the Windows logo on it. Opening the Start menu is the gateway to all your apps and settings. Next, type Store into the search bar at the bottom of the Start menu to locate the Microsoft Store. Windows Search makes it super convenient to find apps without digging through menus. Once the Microsoft Store opens, type Outlook into the search bar at the top right corner. This will take you directly to the Outlook app page. Click the Install button to start downloading and installing Outlook automatically. If Outlook is already installed on your PC, you'll see a Run button instead, which lets you open the app immediately. After installation, you can also launch Outlook directly from the Start menu by searching for Outlook and clicking the app icon. And that's it. You've successfully installed Outlook on your Windows 10 computer. Now you can start managing your emails efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy and helpful tutorials.